everyone! Nandito po ulit ako para i-present sa inyo ang isa na namang dagdag kaalaman para sa mga katuwing kong estudyante. Well, ang ipe-present ko po sa inyo ay ang team sport and its background. Sabi nga po ni internet, ang team sport daw po it includes any sport where individuals are organized into opposing teams which compete to win. Team members act together towards a shared objective. This can be done in a number of ways, such as outscoring the opposing team. Team members set goals, make decisions, communicate, manage conflict, and solve problems in a supportive, trusting atmosphere in order to accomplish their objectives. Well, ang examples nga po nito is basketball. Unang-una na po ang basketball. Next, volleyball, water polo, handball, cricket, baseball, and the various forms of association, football, and hockey. Kasama din po dito ang sepak takraw. Pero sa ngayon po, ang ibibigay kong example sa inyo is basketball, which is very common po. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, maging sa ibang bansa, lalong-lalo na po sa mga fan ng NBA. The meaning of team sport has been disputed in recent years. Some types of sports have different objectives or rules than traditional team sports. This type of team sports do not involve teammates facilitating the movement of a ball or similar item in accordance with a set of rules in order to score points. Magpatuloy nga po tayo, sabi pa rin po ni internet, in other types of a team sports, there may not be an opposing team or point scoring. For example, mountaineering. Instead of points scored against an opposing team, the relative difficulty of the climb or walk is the measure of the achievement. In some sports, where participants are entered by a team, they do not only compete against members of other teams but also against each other for points towards championship standings. And also, additional to that, physical exercise is good for the mind, body, and spirit. Team sports help teach adolescents accountability, dedication, leadership, and other skills. First benefits of a team sports is many athletes do better academically. Playing a sport requires a lot of time and energy. Some people may think this would distract student athletes from schoolwork. However, the opposite is true. Sports require memorization, repetition, and learning skill sets that are directly relevant to classwork. Also, the determination and goal-setting skills a sport requires can be transferred to the classroom. The second one is the sports teach teamwork and problem-solving skills. Fighting for a common goal with a group of players and coaches teaches you how to build teamwork and effectively communicate to solve problems. This experience is helpful when encountering problems at work or at home. Well, the third one is physical health benefits of sports. Hindi lang po ito sa team sports and sa lahat na rin po ito ng sports. Clearly, sports can help you reach your fitness goals and maintain a healthy weight. However, they also encourage healthy decision-making such as not smoking and not drinking. Sports also have hidden health benefits such as lowering the chance of osteoporosis or breast cancer later in life. Sports also boost your self-esteem. What more kung may ka-teammate ka, di ba? Well, sabi dito, watching your hard work pay off and achieving your goals develop self-confidence. Achieving a sport or fitness goal encourages you to achieve other goals you set. This is a rewarding and exciting learning process. Well, the last one is reduce pressure and stress with sports. So, pag may ka-team ka, nare-reduce yung mga stress mo and mawawala yung takot mo kasi may mga kasama ka. Sabi dito, exercising is a natural way to loosen up and let go of stress. You can also make new friends who can be there for you as a support system. When you feel under pressure or stress, call up a teammate, head to the gym to talk and play it out. So, ayun nga. Bakit nga ba mas better ang team sports kesa sa individual? Kasi, individual sports foster mental toughness and personal mastery, while team sports teach kids cooperation and teamwork, for lack of a better term. Team sports teach kids how to cooperate with their peers and work together for a common goal, which they then get to celebrate. Ano nga po ba yung importance of a teamwork? When work is divided up among members of a team, it gets done faster. Mas napapabilis kasi mas may kasama ka. may katulong kang gumawa ng sports, may katulong kang lumaban dun sa mga opponent. Making the overall business operate more efficiently, your team will develop a sense of a camaraderie as you work toward a common goal. Teamwork builds morale. You'll feel that your work is valued when you contribute to something that produces results. Ayun nga po, sabi pa din ni Internet, ang team sport daw po ay usually involves careful strategic planning, good preparation, and the mental and physical toughness of each individual that is part of the team. Team sports rely on all the players working together equally in order to succeed at the task at hand. Being part of a team sport requires that each athlete has patience and perseverance since the goals put forth to accomplish might take some time to meet. This involves a good deal of dedication, hard work, and good leadership over that span of time. So kapag may ka-team ka po, mas natututo kang maging dependent or independent pala sa sarili mo kasi kapag kasama mo yung mga ka-teammate mo, pwedeng may matutunan ka sa kanila, pwedeng dahil sa kanila ay matuto ka ng mag-isa sa paglalaro ng sports at mas mawala pa yung mga problema mo na kinakaharap mo sa araw-araw. Magbibigay po ako ng example of a team sports. Example po nito is a very common yung basketball. For example is yung NBA and PBA naman dito sa Pilipinas. Basketball is one of the most popular sports in the world and one of the most widely viewed. So alam naman po natin yun na talagang iniintay at inaabangan ng mga tao, ng mga netizens, yung mga laro ng hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, maging lalo na yung NBA. It is a team sport that involves two teams of 5 active players, each trying to score points against one another by throwing a ball through a 300 cm or 10 feet high hoop, the basket, under organized rules. It is played on both indoor and outdoor courts. The size of the court, height of the basket, size of the basketball, and length of time that the game is played can all vary according to the age, size, and skill level of players. Basketball is a fast-moving game that involves a lot of variety, including shooting, dribbling, passing, rebounding, defense, and much more. So, meron ding health benefits ang basketball. Sabi ni Internet, again, basketball involves a lot of starting and stopping. While not renowned as an aerobic sport, it is still a great workout that can help you to burn calories. An hour of basketball can burn 630 to 750 calories. Build endurance, improve balance and coordination, develop concentration and self-discipline, build up muscle. Well, other benefits of basketball, as well as being a great way to stay fit, basketball can also help you to make new friends and see them regularly teach you about being a good team player. Be played by people of all ages and all abilities. Be played all year round because it's usually an indoor sport. Be a fun game that kids of all levels and ages can enjoy. Ito naman, enjoy ng kahit na sino. Kahit ako, nai-enjoy ko rin, lalo na kung kasama mo yung mga teammates mo. Be practice alone. All you need is a ball and a hoop, and you can find a hoop in most local parks and school grounds or sa mga barangay, katapat ng barangay hall, ganun. Be played and enjoy with as few as 2 people, although official games require 10 players, pero 5 lang yung pumapasok kada game. So, doon nga papasok yung mga substitution. Ano nga ba yung mga basketball equipment? One of the great things about the game is that apart from having a basketball, you require every little other equipment to play. However, as basketball involves a lot of running and jumping, it can also be wise to have basketball or sports shoes that provide good ankle support, mouth guards, protected knee, and elbows pads. Ayun, sabi nga dito, getting started with basketball. Although official games of basketball require 10 players, you can play a game of basketball with just one other person. Pwedeng dalawa lang kayong magkalaban. Wala kang kakampi, kayong dalawa lang talaga, as in, kalaban mo siya 1 versus 1. You can also go out and shoot baskets by yourself. Pwedeng ikaw lang as an exercise. Lalo na ngayong pandemic, magandang exercise ang basketball. If you want to play basketball competitively, you can become a member of a team and get involved in local competition. Check out your local sports centers and associations for information on how to join a team or start your own. So meron din akong nahanap na about sa basketball and the children. Basketball is a great way for kids to get active and have fun. Aussie Hoop is a national introductory basketball program for primary school children started by Basketball Australia and the Australian Sports Commission. It provides primary school girls and boys of all ages, abilities, and skill levels with opportunity to play basketball and develop sport and social skills in a safe environment. The program is delivered at local schools, community centers, and local stadiums throughout Australia by local associations and trained professionals. To find your local association, contact Basketball Victoria on. Ayun. So magbibigay din ako ng some of the general tips when playing a basketball. Suggestions include, adults should check with their doctor before taking up basketball kasi halimbawa, may higa kayo or may iba kayong sakit sa puso, pwedeng maapektuhan yung katawan nyo kung sakaling mali yung paglalaro nyo nito or masobrahan kayo sa paglalaro ng basketball. Kaya importante na magpa-check din muna sa doktor bago kayo maglaro ng sports na to. Be aware that basketball is a fast-action game with lots of running, jumping, and pivoting and twisting, so injuries and accidents can happen easily. So kailangan din mag-ingat dito sa paglalaro nito, kailangan ayos din yung mga balance mo kasi minsan nagkakabungguan yung mga player. So pwedeng masugatan ka, pwedeng makakuha ka ng mga injuries, so dapat mag-ingat. Basketball puts a lot of stress on the legs, especially the knees and ankles, and puts pressure on tight shoulders. Nakakasakit siya ng katawan. Especially nung nag-try din ako ng basketball, nung ako ng basketball na skills, your 5 basic skills ng basketball. Medyo sumakit nga yung katawan ko yun, kaya minsan kailangan mo din mag-warm up before playing a basketball. Protect yourself by becoming strong and flexible as basketball is a very physically demanding game. So although nahihirapan nga tayo or sumasakit yung katawan natin, marami pa ding physical benefits yung basketball. Madami pa rin maitutulong sa atin once na maglaro tayo nito. Warm up and stretch your muscles and joints before hitting the court. Also cool down and stretch after playing. So yun nga, warm up. Make sure you have plenty of fluids on hand and rehydrate regularly. So, kita nyo naman yung mga nagbabasketball, di ba, may dalas ng tubig or Gatorade para ma-rehydrate yung katawan nila at maging okay yung takbo ng laro. Don't overdo it. This will depend on your age and condition. Mix it up with other low-impact sports. While playing in a full team competition is great, you can also have fun and benefit from a small space, a basket, and a game of one-on-one. Yun nga, 1 versus 1, pwede din yung dito na mga bagay na dapat natin matandaan tungkol sa basketball. The last one is, bakit nga ba kino-considered ang basketball as a team sport? Basketball is a team sport, which means it requires contribution and cooperation from every member in order to play well and win. Everyone must focus, work together, and fulfill their individual roles for the common good of the team. So, thank you for watching and God bless. Stay safe.